Okay, do you have tight shoulders? Do you have a hard time opening up your chest? Then watch this video. This pose that we're showing you today is called COBRA, and it's one of the best single poses that you can do to set your shoulders and to lift your chest.
I love this position because it teaches people how to really place their shoulders properly to avoid that shoulder pain that you might get when you're doing push-ups, that pain right in the very front of the shoulder that can happen when we do a lot of push-ups or when we do movements that have the arms in close to the sides of the body. Okay? You're just gonna lower yourself to the ground and you're gonna bring the tops of your hands until they're right underneath the shoulders. Now, I'm gonna show you, I've got misalignments in my shoulders where they'll naturally be pulled forward in this position. So you see how the front of my shoulder is really close to my hand or my fingers. This is, after many repetitions of doing push-ups like this, you're gonna have a lot of discomfort in the front of your shoulders. So from here, what you wanna do is work the front of the shoulders away from the floor, and you're gonna keep them that way. So there's a couple of actions that happen there. Number one, instead of having my elbows flare out, I brought them in, I work them down. Now I also wanna make sure that I have my shoulders away and down from my ears. I'm, again, pulling with my hands. I'm not pushing away, I'm pulling. In COBRA repeats, it's about how much extension can I create in my back and only have my hands assist, okay? Now pay attention to the front of the shoulder. I'm not letting it at the very bottom come here. I'm not letting it stay there as I try to push mostly with my hands. I keep myself in the good position, shoulders down and wide, front of the shoulders away, and I create my extension in the spine and my hands assist. Keep pulling the hands back so that you maintain even more of the opening of the chest, and you'll be good to go.